Homemade chocolate cake with cream and blueberry recipe. Hey, my dear cake lovers. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we have a special treat for all you dessert lovers out there. We're going to show you how to make a delicious homemade chocolate cake with creamy frosting and a burst of blueberry goodness. Trust me, this is a recipe you won't want to miss. Ingredients for the chocolate cake: 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup buttermilk, ½ cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. For the creamy frosting: 1 cup unsalted butter, 2 sticks, softened, 4 cups powdered sugar, ½ cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. For the blueberry topping: 2 cups fresh blueberries, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon cornstarch dissolved in 1 tablespoon water. Preparation: chocolate cake. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease 2 9-inch round cake pans. 2. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. 3. Add in the eggs, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. 4. Carefully pour in the boiling water and stir until the batter is smooth. 5. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Creamy frosting. 1. In a large bowl, beat the softened butter until creamy and smooth. 2. Gradually add the powdered sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. 3. Beat until the frosting is light and fluffy. Blueberry topping. 1. In a saucepan, combine the fresh blueberries, granulated sugar, and lemon juice. 2. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the blueberries release their juices and the mixture begins to thicken. 3. Stir in the cornstarch mixture and simmer for a few more minutes until the topping has thickened. Once the cakes are completely cool, place one of the cakes on a serving plate. Spread a generous layer of creamy frosting on top of the first cake layer. Carefully place the second cake layer on top. Frost the top and sides of the entire cake with the remaining creamy frosting. Pour the blueberry topping over the frosted cake, allowing it to drip down the sides. Optionally, you can decorate the cake with some additional blueberries or chocolate shavings. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, folks, our homemade chocolate cake with cream and blueberry topping. It's a perfect combination of rich chocolate, creamy frosting, and the refreshing taste of blueberries. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Taste it. Thank you very much.